How to record professional videos using just your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to record professional quality videos using just your phone. Stick around till the end because I'll also walk you through the best camera settings that'll take your video quality to the next level. Let's get into it. First, wipe the camera lenses. A quick clean with a soft cloth can make a big difference. Trust me, smudges can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. Now let's talk settings. Open your iPhone's settings, scroll down to Camera, and tap on Record Video. From here, change the resolution to 4K at 30 FPS. If you want even smoother footage, go for 4K at 60 FPS, but keep in mind this will take up more storage. Scroll down and make sure HDR video is turned on if you want brighter highlights and deeper contrast. This is especially great if you're recording in natural light. When you're recording, always use the main 1x wide camera on the back. It's the sharpest lens and performs best in low light. Avoid using digital zoom, it just reduces quality. Instead, physically move closer to your subject if you can. Lighting is key. Face a window if you're indoors for natural light. If you're outside, shoot during golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset for the best soft lighting. Hold the phone steady or use a tripod. If you're recording handheld, make sure to enable cinematic mode in the camera app. Finally, for audio, your phone mic, but if you're in a noisy place, consider using earphones or a small lav mic for better clarity. And that's how you shoot high-quality videos with just your phone. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more mobile filming tips. Catch you in the next one.